Hi, I'm Cece. This video walks through CrownCAD's Teams feature for collaborative design. Its innovative Teams concept allows you to create teams, invite members, thereby sharing data seamlessly and avoiding repeated model transfers. Click the Teams icon to enter the team management page. Team List displays all teams you've joined. To quickly locate your target team, you can sort by name, owner, creation time, or role, or search by keyword. Click Create Teams, fill in the team name and description, and confirm to create your team. You can also click an existing team to modify details like name or description. Team creators can add members via usernames. Other users can join by entering a team code or clicking an invitation link. To remove members, click the Delete icon. Permissions are vital for team management. You can assign administrator to other members, granting them almost the same permissions as creators. In the Project Management page, click Team List to view all joined teams and projects. In a team, any member can create new projects or share personal projects to the team with edit or read-only permissions. For team-owned projects, you can open, share, move, copy, delete, or rename them. For shared projects, you can open, copy, or copy them within the team. To start your collaborative design, visit www.crowncad.com/n today.